Hello everyone, welcome to Lab. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Smart Edit Nano Banana feature. Let's dive in. First, go to Edit, Smart Edit. Then drag or upload your image into the box. Next, choose a preset prompt template. Just replace the text inside the brackets with your own content. And don't forget to delete the brackets. Click Generate, wait a few seconds, and your image is ready. Next, let's demonstrate the design transfer example. Upload image 1 as the base image and image 2 as the reference. Then select the prompt template, apply the design style and texture of image 2 to image 1. Click Generate, wait a few seconds, and your image is ready. Here are some common use cases from the template library. Of course, you can also type your own prompts. Pretty amazing results, right? Now it's your turn to give it a try.